Lead the way!
Ah, help! Something bit me and left me for dead. Please, let me come with you.
We can't let him follow. He's infected. He'll be eating our guts before we know it.
We have sworn a traitor oath. We have to help him.
This isn't a good idea. Not a good idea at all.
I can pay well, and there won't be any trouble. Thank you, hero. I'm very grateful.
Right behind you!
I'm right with you.
I have a bad feeling about this.
We never should have come this way.
Beware, traveler. I block the way to all but the most combat-hardened. If you request, my guardians will test your mettle in combat. Meet their challenge, and the reward I hide is yours.
Whoops.
I've been on worse routes than this one. This is child's play.
Not so sure about that. Oh dear. Whoops. Oh. Whoops.
This from...
Oh dear.
It's all part of the job, mate.
I'll count myself lucky if I'm still alive at the end of this. Careful! Those spores are lethal!
Keep your distance, everyone!
I hope there's plenty of business at Barrow Fields after all this.
There better be.
You think this is bad? You should have been on my last trip.
I could do with a nice warm bath right about now. He deserves nothing less.
We've got to keep moving. I just know there's...
We need to move quickly. There's a trader camp through the next gate.
We need to be careful, though.
Oh dear.
We're under attack.
I'm right behind you. Lead the way.
You think this is bad? You should have been on my last trip.
Oh dear.
Damn it.
I'm right with you.
you stop looking at me? I'm not gonna turn.
I don't think I could take much more of this. I'm right with you.
Try to get your combat multiplier even higher.
I could do with a nice walk. There's one very much like. Well, here's the first camp. I suppose we could wait here if you have other things to do.
The longer we can stay here, the better, as far as I'm concerned.
Yes, looking for items of combat.
What's it to be?
I'm with you.
Oh, hi. Hi there.
Swords?
Have you been hiding lately?
Huh, you know me. Can't stay chat though. Off the Barrow Fields now. It feels like we've been on this trip forever.
You won't be disappointed here. Oh, what can I do you for?
Will you stop looking at me? I'm not gonna turn.
We sell great clothes.
How may I help you today?
What's it to be?
Play blackjack!
I don't know about you, but I'm sticking to local trading from now on.
Oops. Will you stop looking at me? I'm not gonna turn.
Lead on.
Let me out. I've been thinking, you shouldn't worry if I'm the only one who
Nightmare. One long, painful nightmare.
I'm with you. I'll get you for that.
Lead on.
I'm right behind you. The change is almost upon me. We must hurry.
I don't think I can take much more of this.
You the next one back. I'm with you. Starting to turn. Get away from me. I'm right behind you. I'm starting to turn. Get away from me.
Oh,
Ah, he's turned! Lead on.
Oh, I don't feel too good. Oh, but don't fret. I'll be all right. I'm feeling a bit strange. Hey, that hurts.
Shall we go? No! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! Oh, this is horrible! We've almost made it! What was that?
becoming adept with combat multipliers.
If only I make it out alive. Lead on. We made it to Barrow Fields. Follow me. I can't believe we made it. Thank you.
Ah, there you are. We've been expecting you.
You have reached recognized status. Maze seeks an audience with you again. You will find him in Oakvale Tavern. It seemed rather urgent.
Show him some respect. You'd have bigger hands.
You've received a new quest card.